Generally, it's good if you can pre-plan. Put the water in the pot with the shiitake mushrooms and some seaweed, let it just soak or really simmer on a low heat for a while. But this is our busy day, and I don't really have a whole lot of time. And also, I'm not covering the pot because I used the leftover starchy water from cooking. It was a red lentil pasta plus whole wheat pasta that had vegetable in it. So I'm using that water, try to reuse, and letting it simmer, and I'm going to go ahead and put the daikon and celery in here to start. This cooks so fast you barely need to cook it. I just throw that in at the end. I'll just leave this on just a jar because otherwise it starts to boil up. So I can tell if there's enough miso by the color. This is a dark brown miso, and it's pretty good color. I may actually add a tiny bit more, but it should be pretty good. It's gonna be great with our oatmeal.